Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to enable or disable app permissions in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Press Windows key +I on your keyboard, or right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on Privacy. Scroll down to the App Permissions section, where you'll see different categories like Location, Camera, Microphone, etc. Select the category you want to manage. After selecting a category, you will see a list of apps that have access to that permission. Choose the app whose permission you want to change. Use the toggle switch to enable or disable the permission for the selected app. By following these steps, you can control what each app on your device can access, enhancing your privacy and security. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.